of color across the urban sky. Every heartbeat's a masterpiece. Watch the magic amplify. Let the bass take you higher. Funky pulse like a painter's fire. In this moment we're alive, sketching a story under vibrant skies. Come on, move, feel the electric groove. Pop and funk in every move. Let the rhythm lift you, let your spirit shine. In this dance of art and life, we're one tonight. Tonight. Flash of hues, bodies in a vivid display. Every note a splash on a canvas, come what may. Funky guitar strums like a brush on fresh white. We're crafting our destiny, illuminated by the light. Turn it up, let the magic flow. The electric groove, poppin' funk in every move. Let the rhythm lift you, let your worries unwind. In this artful dance of life, our souls are intertwined. Oh, 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 let the art speak, feel the vibe. We're electric canvases coming alive. Masterpiece to prove. Let your heart shine, let your creativity unwind. In this endless night, every beat's a work of art, uniquely designed. Electric groove, carry us through. Every beat's a brushstroke, every moment's new. Keep dancing, keep dreaming in this radiant light. In the pop funk gallery of life, we unite. Lines take shape, the storm begins. Fire ignites beneath the skin. Eyes ablaze, a soul confined. Wrath awakens in every line. Shore formation, unleash the fury. Let it roar, a heart that breaks can fight once more. Through every stroke, through every scar, a battle rages in who we are. Shadows clash with burning light, a warrior born from endless night. Every detail, every flame, a frozen moment, a cry of pain.